Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use multiple servo with Arduino at single time. Here we are looking that I am using two servo motor and here I have taken two potentiometer. If I rotate the potentiometer, the servo also rotate. Two potentiometer for two servo motor. And I will show you how I doing this using Arduino. These two servo can rotate at the same time if we rotate the potentiometer. Okay. But at first we need to look at our hardware. Here we are looking that every servo motor has 3 pin. The 2 pin goes to the power section, VCC and ground pin, and the yellow color wire is the signal wire, and the signal wire is connected with the digital pin 5. And remember, the digital pin 5 is a PWM enabled pin. Also, the second servo motor connected with Arduino pin digital pin 6, and the digital pin 6 also a PWM enabled pin. We must connect all these two servo motor or multiple servo with the PWM enabled pin of Arduino. And here I have connected these two potentiometer, the left side pin of the potentiometer. This pin goes to the VCC and the right sided pin goes to the ground pin, and the middle pin goes to the Arduino analog pin A0. As like same, the second potentiometer, the middle pin goes to A1. These two pin will be used to receive the analog value from these two potentiometer, and we will calculate the data of the potentiometer and will convert it to 0 to 180 for the servo motor position. Okay, now let's see how we programmed this Arduino. Okay guys, this is our main code. Here I have included the servo library to control the servo, and I have created two servo motor, two objects for two servo motor. The first one is my servo 1 and the second one is my servo 2. And I have declared two variables for our two potentiometer, and the first potentiometer is connected to A0 pin and the second potentiometer is connected to A1 pin. And here I have made a array to assign the two servo pin. The first servo or the servo 0 is connected with Arduino digital pin 5, and the one position or the second servo is connected to the Arduino digital pin 6. Here I have gone the serial monitor at 9600 baud rate, and here I have declared that my servo 1, it means that my first servo is connected to dot attachment, the connection pin. Servo pin 0, that means the array's first value, and the first value is 5. And the first servo is connected with digital pin 5, and the second servo is connected to the servo's pin array's second value. The second value is 6. It means that the second servo is connected to the digital 6 pin. Okay, now go to the void2 function. At first, I have calculated the analog value from the potentiometer 1 and stored it to value 1 variable. And as like I said, the second potentiometer's value stored to value 2 variable. And then I have used the map function. This function is used to resize the value from, we know that the analog value counts 0 to 1024, and we have converted or resized the value to 0 to 180, because when we receive the data from analog pin, the value will be in range of 0 to 1024. But when we want to use this value to our servo, then we must need to resize this value 0 to 180 degree. Because of that, we have used this map function, and we have done it for 2 times because we have two servo. So that we have resized our value 1 variable. Now, if we just write the value 1 value to the servo motor, then the servo motor will rotate as like as command of as the command received from potentiometer, and we have done this. My servo one of the first servo dot write. Here we have used the value of val1 variable, and the same thing occurs in servo motor 2. Here I have used val2 variable, and this value will be write to the servo motor 2. And here I have used a very small, 5 millisecond period. This is our program, and this program will help us to control these two servo motor at the same time. Okay, guys, I hope all of you understand how to program the Arduino for using multiple servo at the same time, and we will test our servo again. Look here, this two servo can work at same time by depending on the potentiometer value. Okay guys, I hope all of you understand this video. If you have any question about this video, please feel free to comment in the comment section. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.